Recently, one of my Facebook follower asked me to clear his doubt about the multimeter working. So I have made this video. This is Creative Crackers Not 7 and I am Akashiva. So this is the cheapest and most affordable multimeter, and I'm going to explain this step by step. First we are going to measure the DC voltage. Before that we have two needles with two sockets. One is black and another is red. The black indicates that is a common pin or negative pin. Just insert it in the common circuit. It is mandatory. And for the red socket, there are two sockets available. One is for high voltage and high current, and another is for normal using. So this is high voltage, and the second one is for normal usage. Since we are going to use small voltage, we are going to use it in the normal pin circuit. In the center, there we have a rotating switch, which is used to set the voltage, resistance, or current continuity, etc. So just keep in the 200 millivoltage. This black is used to identify. So just place the common pin in the negative terminal and the positive to the positive. It doesn't show any value. It means the battery voltage is high than what we are set. So we are going to set it to 20 volt. If the battery voltage is less than 20, it will show the value. Since the battery voltage is approximately 7.33, it shows. If the battery voltage is higher than 20, we have to keep it to 200 volt. Even if we keep it, it will show 07 because it's 200. If we change the polarity, that means negative and positive were changed, it will show a negative direction, so a negative sign in the front. So we are going for the next stage. We are going to find the resistance for the resistor. First we can keep it in the 200 ohms. Just take a resistor and connect both terminals in the both end. It doesn't show value. It means the resistor value is greater than 200 ohms or 2000 ohms. Since the resistor value is even greater than 2000 ohms, just go one step ahead. And the resistor value is approximately 80. Since it is always varies, I have a nice idea. It is the best way to see the resistor value because our hand also has resistance. So the approximate resistance is 99. It means 100 ohm resistor. It is 100k resistor. So now we are taking a 2.2k resistor because since we know the value, it's easy for us to understand. So it's between 2000k 2000 ohms to 20,000 ohms. I have kept it to 20,000 ohms. Just kept it shows 2.13 and it's approximately 2.2k. Yes, so we have find the resistor. So next we are going to see the continuity. The continuity has a buzzer option. If there is a continuity, the buzzer will ring. If there is no continuity, the buzzer won't. For testing, we are taking a ordinary jump wire which we use in the projects. Just keep two needles in the two ends of a wire. It glows. It means there is a continuity in between them. But it is not the way it is used for. It is mostly used for this complex type of circuits and just to verify there is connection in between the two solder ends. So it will be most useful if you are using it in the right way, and it can even verify your mistakes. So I hope you can understand. Next we are going for measuring ampere or current. So these are the 10A is given in the red. It means it is a sign of danger. You should be very precaution because even 10 ampere current may damage your hands or hurt you. So it's your responsibility to be safe. Just just place two terminals as same way. This is same as you check the voltage. Since it's the ampere of the battery is greater than 2000 microfarad, we are changing it to 10 amps. So we have to change the socket. So we are testing it and it's approximately 0.07. This type of batteries has low current, so we are choosing a lithium ion battery which has high current or high ampere in it. So it's around 3.45. The lithium ion batteries are very known for its ampere or current flow. So we are now going to test whether it will show any variations, because see we have inserted the socket in the wrong direction, so it doesn't show any value. This will be a major error while you are doing this, and many of my friends already said that they are facing the same problem. So don't do the same mistake. Now we are going to measure the AC voltage. Let's go. And it's also a high danger because AC voltage is always dangerous one, and since if you are using a home voltage, it's up to 240 volt, which may even kill you. So it's up to your responsibility or your wish of using it. I will personally recommend you not to do this. Since the AC voltage of my home is 240, it doesn't show, so I keep it to 750 volt. Even it shows value, just say that it's 750 and it's marked in the red. We didn't change the socket. This means we are slowly damaging the board of the multimeter. Don't repeat the mistakes I've done. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you didn't before. This is Creative Crackers 007. Stay creative. See you in another video. Goodbye.